तिष्ठन् व्रजे तदानुगामी पालन। भक्तमात्र की चाहिए कि अपनी रचना एवं मन को अन्य कृष्ण इतर विषय में हटाकर श्री कृष्ण के नाम रूप गुण आदि लीला कथा में कीर्तन और स्मरण में क्रमशः लगातार श्री ब्रजमंडल में ही निवास करते हैं। श्री कृष्ण के अनुरागी जनों का अनुगामी बनकर अपने समस्त समय को व्यतीत करना चाहिए। अर्थ यह है कि अपने भावना के अनुसार प्रियतम श्री कृष्ण का एवं अपने भाव होते श्री कृष्ण के भक्तों का स्मरण करता हुआ
Hare Krishna. Can you hear me? Hari Bol. So we are going to discuss the Bhajan Rahasya Shlok number 6. And it is explained in Shri Updeshamrit is Shlok number 8. Tanna Purupa Charita Sukritanunau.
राधा कृष्ण की भजन के लिए ब्रजमंडल से बढ़कर कोई भी स्थान नहीं है। भजन के लिए ब्रजमंडल में, इसलिए ब्रह्मा एवं उद्धव जैसे भक्त श्रेष्ठ भी ब्रज में तीनों लोका का जन्म लेकर निवास करने की प्रार्थना करते हैं। ऐसे भजन रीति रागानुगा भक्त के निरंतर गुरु के अनुगत्य में निज अभिष्ट शुद्ध सेवा स्मरण करना चाहिए। कृष्ण स्मरणं जननिकश्च श्रेष्ठ निज सन्निहित तत्त कथा रचच असु पुरुषार वाचन बजी सदा। जो भक्त याज्ञवल्क्य भक्ति के लोलुप है, लोलुप माने लालसा ऐसे ब्रजवासी कृष्ण का एवं अपने स्वजातीय कृष्णप्रिय जनों का स्मरण करते करते उनके निवास स्थलों का अनुरक्त रहकर सर्वदा ब्रज में वास करना चाहिए। रागानुगा भक्ति की परिपाटी यह है अपने प्रियतम इष्ट नवकिशोर नंदनंदन श्री कृष्ण का तथा अपने अभिलषित भावापन्न प्रिय सचिव की मंजरी पुष्पांजलि आदि का स्मरण करना चाहिए तथा उनकी कथाओं का श्रवण करते हुए श्री नंदराज के ब्रज अर्थात वृंदावन में सदैव वास करे। शक्ति सामर्थ्य रहने पर शरीर वृंदावन तथा गोवर्धन राधाकुंड आदि स्थानों पर वास करे। सर्वोत्तम स्थान कहाँ है? राधाकुंड। वृंदावन से आगे कहाँ जाना पड़ेगा? गोवर्धन। और गोवर्धन से आगे राधाकुंड। धीरे 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 शरीर के द्वारा यदि संभव नहीं हो तो कैसे बात करेंगे राधाकुंड? मन के द्वारा असमर्थ होने पर मन से बात करना चाहिए। यह स्थान श्रृंगारसम स्थान है तथा भजन में रसोद्दीपक लीला उद्दीपक होता है। विनोद ठाकुर प्रार्थना करते हैं राधा कुंड तट कुंज कुटीर गोवर्धन पर्वत जाम। उपरोक्त साधक के कृष्णजन अर्थात भावना अनुकूल जगरसिक जन तथा शिल्प मंजरी तथा सुखी की कथाओं को स्मरण करना चाहिए। गोस्वामी की स्मरण होना चाहिए। किंतु मुनि पराज पार करने गोष्ठी में भुजादि को मस्तकाया हाँ मुझे तो कनक गोरी परार विन्दम संग्रहणी समर्पित तब जितने भी रूपान को आचार्य हुए सबश्रेष्ठ कौन है, किसके नाम आता है? रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी। रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी के जो रूपान का आचार्य में सबश्रेष्ठ है रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी। रूप गोस्वामी पाद के अनुगत्य में राधा की सेवा की पराकाष्ठा दिखाया। उसके बाद जो है नरोत्तम दास ठाकुर, भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर और आगे विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती पाठ आदि समस्त आचार्य जो है।
Hare Krishna. You cannot hear because I was not speaking. Hari Bol. When I was not speaking, how you can hear me? Hari Bol. Shiradhe. So as we told that we are discussing about the shlok text number 16 of Bhajan Rasa 6. When Raghunath Das Goswami, he left everything and went to Jagannath Puri and he met with Mahaprabhu. So what Mahaprabhu did? So he hold the hand of Raghunath Das Goswami and give to Swarup Damodar. Raghunath Das Goswami wanted to stay with Mahaprabhu, but what Mahaprabhu did? You go to Swarup Damodar. Swarup ke Damodar. Swarupe Raghu. That's why he is called Swarupe Raghu. Raghu means Raghunath Das Goswami. So Raghunath Das Goswami belongs to Swarup Damodar. So he stayed there. Because Swarup Damodar always busy in the service of Mahaprabhu. Are Prabhu, this call disconnect Prabhu. Deva Prabhu, call. Because back. Are back. Are resume. So Shikimai is not elaborated so much that she stayed with Mahaprabhu in Gambhira or not. Even it is not described about the name of Madhavi Devi also. Madhavi Devi also, she stayed there or not, it is not described so much. Swarup Damodar, Rai Ramanand, they both stayed there with Mahaprabhu in Gambhira. Govind. So who is the Antarang Sevaka of Mahaprabhu? Govind used to live there. But so the importance of Swarup Damodar and Rai Ramanand is more than Govind. Even Govind, he was serving Mahaprabhu. Vapu Seva. So they were serving, Govind was serving the Vapu Seva there. He used to wash the clothes of Mahaprabhu. He used to clean, he used to massage the feet of the Mahaprabhu. Means he was doing every seva of Mahaprabhu that time. But Swarup Damodar, Rai Ramanand, they were so much busy in the service of Vani Seva. So whatever the feelings Mahaprabhu has that time, so according to that they were reciting the shloka. So they were increasing the Leela of Mahaprabhu at that time. So if you are remembering the shlok, and I am speaking, you are speaking, so that's good. But if I am speaking, you are not speaking, so it's not good. So everybody should learn the shlokas. So that's why Swarup Damodar Rai Ramanand, according to the feelings of the Mahaprabhu, they were describing and reciting the shlokas there. Just like Madhavin, Madhpuri Pad, when he was so much observed in the bhav,
महापुरुष दास हैं, माधवेंद्रपुरी पाद के सेवक
सेवक माधवेंद्रपुरी पाद सेवक ईश्वरपुरी पाद दो थे ना, रामचंद्रपुरी ईश्वरपुरी पाद, यस।
तो हो गया, लेकिन वो माधवेंद्रपुरी पाद
क्रिटिसाइज
हो जाता है।
So there are many disciples we have seen that they got the shelter of the Guru, but they always criticize Guru. So that's why he always be far from Ramchandpuri. Ramchandpuri was so far from Ishwarpuri Pad. Because it was not his fault. Because in the Radha Krishna Leela he was Jatila and Kutila. They got the initiation from Madhvenpuri Pad, but after taking the initiation from Madhvenpuri Pad, he was criticizing his Guru and Mahaprabhu. Then Madhvenpuri Pad, he used to say to Madhvenpuri Pad, hey Gurudev, why are you crying? You are Brahma. Even when Madhvenpuri Pad was disappeared, Ramchandpuri came to Mahaprabhu and he was criticizing Mahaprabhu. That why there is so much ants here. Ants. So because you put so much sweets there. Mahaprabhu never eats mithai. So they used to say and criticize Mahaprabhu that you are a sannyasi and you are collecting so much things. So sannyasi shouldn't collect so much things. Hey Mahaprabhu, please take the prasad from our house. They prepared so many things prepared so many preparations for Mahaprabhu. Chawal, dal, sabji and many kinds of food stuff they prepared. When Mahaprabhu went there, so he said that you are a sannyasi, so why are you taking so much? This kinds of people we have in this world. If you have to criticize that person, then why you have called Mahaprabhu? When Mahaprabhu seated for eating, so he said, oh, you are a sannyasi and you are so much eating. Why like this? Sannyasi shouldn't eat so much. That's why Madhvenpuri Pad, he said, you please make a distance from me. He said to Ramchandpuri. And Ishwarpuri Pad used to serve Madhvenpuri Pad. According to the bhav of Mahaprabhu, he used to serve Madhvenpuri. According to the bhav of Madhvenpuri Pad, he used to serve.
अभी हम जिस कथा श्रवण कर रहे थे, कृपानु का आचार्य में श्रेष्ठ कौन है, इसका नाम बताया
Raghunath Das Goswami is topmost in the Rupanuga. And Mahaprabhu gave Raghunath Das Goswami to Sarup Damodar. What is the meaning here? Why Mahaprabhu given his hand to Sarup Damodar? Sarup Damodar is Lalita Sakhi. Under the guidance of Lalita Sakhi, is it serving someone is topmost.
देवी के अनुगत्य में सभी सेवा है।
Everybody is serving under the guidance of Lalita Devi.
भगवान और ललिता देवी की और युधिष्ठिर के ललिता देवी के स्वभाव जो होता है कि कपड़ा का है गदभा अखरा गदभा मतलब वेरी टकटी निर्देश करके कृष्ण ही शासन करता है, राधा जी शासन करता है। यहाँ पर ललिता देवी जाती है, कृष्ण देखिए डर जाता है। यह तक भी नहीं, राधा जी को श्री कृष्ण उपदेश देती है, जैसे ललिता माँ दक्षिणा भव भवंतिनी ललिता देवी राधा जी को शिक्षा देती है। ये देखो, ये आदि शुद्ध कपट कृष्ण काम कर रहे मैंने कहीं ना कर रहे कान पकड़ रहे बोल रहे आज से हमारे ऐसे बात है, किंतु उनको विश्वास मत करो, ये दृष्ट है।
So Lalita Sakhi also chastised to Krishna so much. So there are the 96 kinds of Nayak. So this one is quality is Drishta Nayak. Drishta Nayak. Krishna is Drisht. Drisht means do not trust him. हे श्रीमती राधिके, please stay on your Vamya Bhag. Do not give a chance to please Krishna. So maybe you are internally so much happy, but must pretend that you are so much angry on Krishna. हे श्रीमती राधिके, whatever the fame you have, कौन सा फेम बोल रहे? ब्लड फेम? कौन सा फेम? ब्लड फेम? कलंक क्या? ब्लिस, हाँ ब्लश फ्लेम, ब्लश फ्लेम. So kalank means the blush flame you have about Radha. So what Radha ji is doing in the separation mode, she is saying to Krishna, hey Krishna, what Radha ji is saying to Krishna, hey Krishna, for you I can wear the garland of blush flame. What is that? What is that blush flame garland? The garland of blush flame. Just Radha ji is doing so much loving affairs with Krishna. At the time Radha ji used to say, hey Lalite, you go to market and announce everywhere that Radha ji is doing so much loving affairs with Krishna. For Radha ji there is word used, a sentence which is that Tajantu Bandhava Nirjastu, like this. Jai Ho. Radha ji says Tajantu Bandhava Sarve. I have abandoned everybody, is my friends, family, everybody, because I love Krishna. My Gurujan, my parents,
डिल्यूजन है वो भी मुझे गंजना करें।
So they also abuse me, criticize me. Still, I will not. एक मिनट. I will not give up Krishna. थोड़ा फैन उसको आगे कर दो, मक्खी आ रही है फेस पे, मक्खी आ रही है. So Katha we were hearing Swarup Damodar and Lalita Sakhi. He is called Pragalva, very talkative. Sometimes Krishna, they are teasing two other Sakhis. And when Lalita Devi comes, he stands so far because Krishna knows that Lalita is so much ruling. She is so much talkative, and she will instruct and she will rule upon Krishna. And Lalita Sakhi is giving instruction to Radhaji and Krishna both. She is ruling both. If you are in the team of Lalita Devi, then you are safe. Let's suppose you are going somewhere with the king, with Radha. You are going somewhere with the Radha. So Krishna will tease you if there is no Lalita Sakhi. But if Lalita Sakhi is there, then Krishna is so much simple. He is so quiet. He knows. So if I commit any kinds of mistake, then Lalita will chastise me. Vishaka is little bit have a soft nature, but Lalita Devi is so much Pragalva, means so much talkative, so much ruling personality. That's why Bhakti Vinod Thakur is saying, so those who are so much fortunate, so they will serve the Radha and Krishna under the guidance of Lalita Sakhi. Bhakti Vinod Thakur is describing the Kirtan. Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Kamal Manjari, he is saying, Lalita Sakhira Yogyata like this. एक तो आवाज़ बहुत कम आ रही है. It's so much low sound. What Mahaprabhu did? So he has surrendered Raghunath Das Goswami to Swarup Damodar, and he said, hey Raghunath, you please stay with Swarup Damodar. That's why Swarup Damodar, Tatasan Tila, Sakhasan Tila. So he stayed there and performed bhajan. Swarup Damodar, sometimes Swarup Damodar used to go to Mahaprabhu, and after serving him, he came back. When Swarup Damodar used to come back, at that time Raghunath Das Goswami, he used to ask about Mahaprabhu. To whom? To Swarup Damodar. What you have talked with Mahaprabhu. So Swarup Damodar used to explain everything what happened there. Because Mahaprabhu, only in Mahaprabhu's Gambhira, only Swarup Damodar and Rai Ramanandan can go there only. No one can enter there. When Swarup Damodar, after serving Mahaprabhu, they returned back at the night, that Raghunath Das Goswami at that time, he used to ask so much things about Mahaprabhu, that what you have done, what he talked, like this, what he talked, what Mahaprabhu told you, what Mahaprabhu Leela told you, whatever the shlok you have told to Mahaprabhu. He used to ask these kinds of things, so many questions from Swarup Damodar. But my net is going. At that time, Raghunath Das Goswami, according to that, wrote some shlokas. He wrote so many shlokas about Mahaprabhu's. He wrote so many shlokas about Braj Mandal, about Giraj Govardhan, about Radha Kunda. So he wrote so many shlok. He did described everywhere, everything.
इसे यहाँ पर कर रहे हैं उदाहरण स्वरूप श्रील रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी को स्वरूप दामोदर तथा श्रील रूप गोस्वामी के अनुगत ब्रज की रतन उपासना की पराकाष्ठा प्राप्त हुई। जब चैतन्य महाप्रभु
When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu he disappeared in Jagannath Puri. Disappeared means he stayed in Tota Gopinath. He disappeared in Tota Gopinath. Hare Ram Gopinath Hare.
ये महाप्रभु अंत में जो है
When Mahaprabhu at last
छोटा गोपीनाथ में जाकर के
he submerged himself into the Tota Gopinath. Because Tota Gopinath is himself Krishna. Mahaprabhu. There is no difference between Tota Gopinath and Mahaprabhu. But Mahaprabhu he submerged himself into the Tota Gopinath and he ended up his Leela there.
और फिर महाप्रभु अंतर्ध्यान होने के बाद
When Mahaprabhu disappeared,
के बाद जो है
after some time Saru Damodar and Rai Ramanand and all the devotees or all the associates of Mahaprabhu, they disappears one by one. After that Raghunath Das Goswami he left Jagannath Puri and he came to Radhakund, calling again.
राधा कुंड में आकर के दीदा रात्र हुई।
And he cried so much day and night.
सनातन गोस्वामी पाद
At that time Sanatan Goswami Pad and Rup Goswami Pad,
छोटे भाइयों भाई की भांति
so he treated Raghunath Das Goswami like his younger brother. Raghunath Das Goswami all day he used to cry, but seeing him cry, Rup Goswami Pad he wrote one granth. Lalit Madhav. He gave one granth Lalit Madhav. So when he read that granth Lalit Madhav, so he started so much crying more and more. So his separation mode increases so much. At the time what he did, Sanatan Goswami Pad told to Rup Goswami, what granth you have given to me, because his separation mode is increasing. Dan Keli Komadi. This is a laughing wala, hasi mazak wala khana. So there is so much laughing, joking there. Dan Keli Komadi.
फिर वही दान कली को उन्होंने एक ग्रंथ लिखा दान कली चिंतामणि।
So then after that Raghunath Das Goswami wrote one granth also, Dan Keli Chintamani. Dan Keli Chintamani.
इसलिए कह रहे हैं रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी की कहा जाता है
Raghunath Das Goswami is called
रूपानुगो रत्नमयी उपासना की पराकाष्ठा।
he is the topmost in Rupanug.
इसलिए रघुनाथ दास में ज्यादातर जो है लोग जो है रूप गोस्वामी पाठ के लिए ही उन्होंने
So that's why he has so much shlok quoted in praying for Rup Goswami. Jaho. In the Vilap Kusmanjali, he wrote the shlok, and in the shlok he is praying to Rup Goswami. When after some times Rup Goswami Pad when disappeared, so Raghunath Das Goswami was that separation unbearable to him. He was so much in separation mode that time. And then what he wrote one shloka. Naite Mahagoshtam. Sunnaite Mahagoshtam. Goshtam means Braj. So it's looking like very, very isolated. This Braj is looking very isolated to him. Just like at the night time, when you go to cremation place, so it's just isolated, and you will feel so much fear there at the time of midnight. If you go to Shamshan cremation palace, so what happened? Maybe some ghost, some dead body comes to you, and you will fear there. Maybe some dogs comes to you, they can bite you.
अंधकार होने के नाते सर्वत्र भाई को
because there is so much darkness.
हाँ?
आत्मा बुरी आत्मा भी रहती है।
Buri Atma also stays there.
कहने लगे जो ब्रज की इसने
So
स्तुति किया,
Raghunath Das Goswami said that you have did so much stuti of Braj,
कैसे लग रहे हैं?
and now he is saying that Braj is looking so isolated.
ब्रज ऐसे बिल्कुल सन्नाटा लग रहा है, सन्नाटा।
So much isolation is there. He is feeling so much fear in Braj.
अजगर आए थे, विलास
And Giriraj Govardhan is looking, he did so much stuti of Giriraj Govardhan, but now what he is saying, that Giriraj Govardhan is looking like a snake.
भागवत में गिरिराज गोवर्धन कितने सुंदर वर्णन है।
So there is so much descriptions in Bhagavatam of Giriraj Govardhan.
किंतु रघुनाथ दास जी इस विराट स्थिति में
But in this separation mode, what Raghunath Das Goswami is saying, that Giriraj Govardhan is looking like a python. Python is like a python. So he is opening his mouth like a python, and he is
अजगर है ना,
python.
काटता नहीं है,
He never bite anybody. Swell. When you are swept.
सारे शरीर को
So just like you are sleeping, it comes to you and it will cover your whole body and gradually will catch you. Swallow.
उनके पास ऐसे होता है, उस शरीर को आपको बिल्कुल मोचोड़ देना।
And he will rub your all the bones, just like we are soaking our gamcha after taking shower, and we soak our gamcha like this way.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
So in the same way,
अजगर क्या करता है?
Ajgar, the python,
कोई जंतु का कोई पशु के पास किसी मनुष्य का
so whenever he catch any animals, any persons, so what happened? He rubbed that person like his all bones becomes like a powder. Its all bones becomes like a powder, and then he opened his mouth and swell that body.
अंदर में वो
निगल लेता है, swell the body.
देखा यूट्यूब में,
Have you seen in the YouTube? There are many pictures. Just like a python is like that.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
In the same way, Raghunath Das Goswami is saying, Hey Giriraj Govardhan
कैसे है?
is looking like a python. Is going to come a swell. Tundaite.
ये देखो, ये राधा कुंड के देखो
Look, this Radha Kund
जैसे
is look like,
के बाघ जो है
just like,
वहाँ की गदान,
it's looking like a mouth of the tiger.
शेर क्या करता है बीच में वो खाता है।
Lion always used to come and open his mouth like this.
इस राधा कुंड के उन्होंने किया।
So he did so much beautiful stuti of Radha Kund. Now he is saying, oh, this Radha Kund is looking like a lion to him.
मुकुंद को प्राण को राधा कुंड मुकुंद विवास है, राधा कुंड जो मेरा आश्रय,
So Radha Kund is my ashray swarup, is my shelter.
वृंदावन की सबसे स्वभाव क्या है?
Which is the topmost
स्वभाव जैसे उनके क्राउन होते हैं,
just like queen's crowns. Queens is क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
महारानी जैसे
Crown बोलते हैं, crown तो ये हो गया.
जैसे शिरोभूषण धारण करती है, इंग्लैंड की महारानी
प्रतिष्ठा means उसकी शोभा.
सब जब सब
What does mean शोभा? Where is Radha Kanti Didi?
आज इंग्लैंड गए, आप देखा
Have you been to England? Queen Victoria? Queen Victoria जो है, हाँ Victoria. So there is a Kohinoor is there
सब होती है
whenever there is festival.
महारानी जो है
So that Maharani, Queen Victoria, she used to put on the crown of the, which is Kohinoor.
तात्पर्य क्या है?
So what is the meaning here?
वृंदावन से श्रीमती राधिका
So Vrindavan, Kishori, Shrimati Radhika,
शिरोभूषण क्या है?
And which is the topmost thing in Vrindavan is Giriraj Govardhan. And this Rasasthali, Vrindavan Saundarya Madhurya, what is there? Yes, Giriraj Govardhan and the Rasasthali. Vrindavan means Brad Vrindavan. So if we are talking about Vrindavan means Brihad Vrindavan, all Vrindavan. Panchakosi, where we are staying, this is called the Panchakosi Vrindavan. And from Radha Kund and Nandagaon and everywhere, Giriraj Govardhan, that is called Brihad Vrindavan. So the Shobha of the Brihad Vrindavan is Giriraj Govardhan. It's just like a crown of Vrindavan. Shobha.
और वो वृंदावन की और भी शोभावान क्या चीज है जहाँ पर रासस्थल,
and which is topmost Shobha of Vrindavan is Rasasthali, where Krishna with the Radha and other gopis, he is doing the Rasasthali. Mukund Pranabhya Priyo. And who is topmost to Mukund more than his life is Radha Kund. And what to describe about Radha Kund? So one particle of Vrindavan or the particle of Radha Kund or Rasasthali, it is not equal. One particle of this dust of Vrindavan is more than many kinds of pilgrimage. So Vrindavan means Brihad Vrindavan. Vrindavan, Giriraj Govardhan, Radha Kund. Vrindavan, Govardhan, Radha Kund. It is topmost for Govind. It is just like a heart of Govind. It is just like a life of Govind. Radha Kund is non-different from Radhaji. So Raghunath Das Goswami is praying like this: I would like to take the shelter of Radha Kund. I would like to stay here. But in the separation mode, now what he is saying? He is just like a loin to Raghunath Das Goswami.
उदाहरण से विश्लेष करें, ब्रज रस में उपासना की प्रकाष्ठ प्राप्त करें।
In the Vilas Kusmanjali he is saying, when Radhaji got pleased, being pleased, she is saying to Rati Manjari, hey Rati Manjari, whatever the benediction you would like to ask, you can ask to me. What Rati Manjari is saying? Raghunath Das Goswami, what is she saying? I would like to get this benediction in your lotus feet. And what is that? If you want to take the place of Lalita Vishakha, I can give you. Radhaji is saying like this. Oh no. Lalita Vishakha are not ordinary. So without the shelter of Vishakha, you cannot get Radhaji. And under the guidance of Lalita Devi, you cannot save yourself without the shelter of Lalita. Otherwise Krishna will tease you. Drishta Krishna will tease you. That's why
के
First you take the shelter of Vishaka
है और साथ ही साथ
and as well as also take the shelter of Lalita Devi. Ah,
नहीं तो कृष्ण
otherwise Krishna will tease you so much.
इसलिए कहा रहे हैं यहाँ पर राधा जी कहा रही है
That's why Radha ji is saying here,
मैं ललिता अभिषेक के ऊपर दिया
I can give you the post of Lalita and Vishaka.
रघुनाथ दास कृष्ण क्या
And Raghunath Das Goswami, what he is saying?
सख्या तुम नमस्ते नमस्ते तो ये सभी पदों पे जो है मैं दूर से
I do the Danvat Pranam of this Sakhi's post so far. I don't need this. What I want your Dasya.
मेरी दासी पर
I would like to be your maid servant, your Dasi.
ये दासी मंजरी
So Dasi means Manjari here.
है मंजरी की सेवा की भावना यह पर दिखता है
So Manjari has the topmost tendency of service. Sakyati Dasi. हाँ, Dasi Lalita Vishaka.
और कौन सा चाहते हैं दासी पर यहाँ पर दासी का नहीं कौन सा दासी
Manjari.
है
प्राण सखी
सखी नित्य सखी में नित्य सखी और प्राण सखी में ये मंजरी भाग
So Nitya Sakhi and Pran Sakhi is the Manjari Bhav. So Raghunath Das Goswami is praying for that. Because by that getting that post or Dasi Pad, he would like to serve Shrimati Radhika Rani. Paradevata.
तो इसी प्रकार रघुनाथ दास
So in this way Raghunath Das Goswami,
उपासना की पराकाष्ठ कर जाती मंजरी भाव पराकाष्ठ
so he is showing the glory of Manjari Bhav.
और जब ये पांच व्यवहार प्रेमी लक्षण और क्रिया आदि वर्णन कर रहे हैं श्रीमद् भागवत में क्या बोले एवं जगत प्रिया
So now we are entering the text number 18. Evam Vrata Seva Priya Nam Kritya
जो इस प्रकार विशुद्ध व्रत नियम ले लेता है उनके हृदय में अपने परम प्रियतम प्रभु के नाम कीर्तन से अनुराग का प्रेम का अनुराग अंकुर उदित होता है जिसका चित्त द्रवित हो जाता है और वह साधारण लोक की स्थिति में
So in the heart of one who adopts such a transcendental vow, attachment for chanting of name is not
लोगों की
his most dear Lord arises and melts his hearts. Now he rises above the condition of the general mass of people, and he is beyond caring for their opinions and views. In a natural way, not out of pretense, he acts as if mad. Sometimes he bursts out of laughing and sometimes he sheds floods of tears. Sometimes in a loud voice he calls out Bhagwan, and sometimes with a sweet voice he signs his glories. At other times when he perceives his beloved standing before his eyes, he even starts dancing in order to please him. So we will describe this katha tomorrow. Very nice. Today is very short katha. That what are the symptoms of Mahabhagavatam? That how they are drawing himself into the bhava. Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. Very nice. Very short katha today. Jai Shri Radhe. Jai Ho Gurudev. Thank you. So we will discuss tomorrow the shlok number 8. Evam Vratasva Priya Nam Kritya. Jai Jaikar ho. ठीक है विवास, now I'm going to shut down. Is it okay? Is it okay? What is saying? I don't know what the question is asked by the Vishwarup Maharaj. ओ चाची देखो
फ्लैट से मिले क्या करते हैं ये लेना वो भी लेना ये आज जैसा भी मिल सकते नहीं मिल सकते है कहता है हाँ किंतु वो आराम से जाए किसको मिलने की जरूरत है जब उसका चाहे मतलब प्रवेश करे
Okay, so now here it is discussing
से बड़े हैं
ललिता विशाखा.
बड़े विशाल आए
अरे
वो
पिया
संसार के बराबर भी हो है तथापि उनको क्या करना पड़ता है ये समझते जो उनके पास में रहने वाले आगे हैं
एक मिनट. I just tell you, don't go anywhere. I am just going to explain this very nicely. Okay, don't go anywhere. I just tell you about what he's saying.
रावण के निवृत्त पुंज में है
ललिता विशाखा
उनको क्या करना पड़ेगा
परमिशन लेनी पड़ेगी मंजरी की.
परमिशन देना
Now what is the caste that मंजरी से? Yes.
यही तो विशेष वैशिष्ट्य
This is the Vaishishta of Manjaris. Okay.
बड़े होने पर भी क्या होता है
They are so much big still. They are so much taking.
जैसे मानो राधा जी
Just like Radha ji, she is inside the kunja
अपने वस्त्रादि
and she is taking, putting her clothes. At the time Lalita and Vishakha, they would like to enter there.
तो प्रवेश कैसे करते
So how they can enter? So for entering there, they have to take the permission from the Manjaris. Oh, we would like to meet with Radha ji. So can we go inside? No, you cannot go. She is changing her clothes. So you go out. After sometimes you can come.
जी और
They can say like this.
ऑलमोस्ट सेम पर्याय में
So Radhika and Lalita Vishakha in the same level, but being a same level, still they don't have right to directly enter into the Radha ji's kunj. Okay,
देखो इसमें यही वर्णन होते हैं
so this is described here. What actually
ये लोग क्या करते हैं मंदिर में
that Manjaris,
राधा जी की सेवा में
so they are totally engaged in the service of Srimati Radhika.
सेवा प्रधान
So they have so much tendency of service. So Manjari's bhav means tendency of service.
राधा जी के जो है अपने प्राण से भी
So
अधिक राधा की सेवा करते
so they are thinking Radhaji's more than their lives.
हैं ब्राह्मणों और अपनों का
So they are engaging themselves in the massaging feet of the Srimati Radhika. They are giving the betel nuts to Radhaji. Let's suppose that Radhaji woke up. So who will give the water to Radharani? Manjari will give the water to Radharani. So they will give the water to Radharani. At that time, Lalita Vishakha would like to enter into the kunj.
मंदिर आकर के कहेगी
So
अभी राधा जी
Manjari will tell to Lalita Vishakha, Radhaji is taking rest. So if you want to meet, then you can. Otherwise, if you are wise, then you can come later.
विश्राम राधा जी की विश्राम अवस्था में
So at the time of taking rest of Radhaji, Lalita Vishakha cannot enter there. Only Manjari can directly go there. So it doesn't mean that Manjari is more than Lalita Vishakha. No. Okay. Manjari, they have the tendency of service. Lalita Vishakha and Radhaji, they have the same level, but here it is showing the tendency of service. Who has the most tendency of service? Lalita and Vishakha. Sorry, Manjaris. Who has the tendency of service? Manjari. So there is a process there. There is a rules and regulation also there, and everybody has to follow there. Just like here, a beautiful example is given by Gurudev. Like I tell you, let's suppose there is a prime minister. Okay, so in the prime minister house there are so many servants is there, but let's suppose if president is going to meet with prime minister, so president cannot go directly. First he has to wait outside. He has to ask his servants that I would like to meet with president, so can you call him? So then the maid servants and all the servants in the house, they will say, oh Prime Minister, sir, President has come, they would like to meet you. Then Prime Minister tell, okay, you tell him that wait for 5 minutes, or otherwise you will say come inside, like this. So he has to follow all the rules and regulation. So it doesn't mean that that servant is more than president. No, president is same level with the prime minister, but actually they are serving there, they have a relationship now. That's why the tendency of service is more than, they have more than other people's like. So that's why topmost tendency, service tendency Manjari has. So Manjari cannot independently meet with Krishna, but Lalita, Vishakha and other Sakhis can meet independently with Krishna. Okay, this is it's showing here. So Manjari cannot sit with Krishna on the swing, but Lalita, Vishakha and other Sakhis independently can sit with the Krishna on the swing, because now Jhulan festival is going on. Because Manjari just have only one desire, they how they can please Radhika Rani by their service. Hare Krishna. Okay, chalo, thank you so much. Paran time has been done. Now you can do Paran. Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol.